Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock people from Instagram. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to click on the top right corner where you see the three straight lines. You click on three straight lines and then you want to click on settings and privacy. When you're on settings and privacy, you want to scroll down a little to the section that is called who can see your content. This is very important. Why? Because here you will find the option that it says blocked. When you click on blocked, you will find all the accounts that you block from your Instagram page. This is where you can actually click unblock individually and simply scroll through the list of all the accounts. I wish they had an option where you can actually go and search. As you can see over here, the plus sign. I don't have so many people blocked, but if you have like tons of people blocked and you met someone that you blocked like a couple of years ago and you want to reestablish the relationship, the connection, the friendship, right? You can click on the plus sign, click here on the search bar and simply look for the person. This is also very helpful. Otherwise, you just had to scroll. And if you have like thousands of people, if you have your account created 5-10 years ago, right, you will have a bunch of scrolling doing. So this is how we can go about it. The other option, of course, will be to simply go on the actual Instagram feed. You going to click on the second option where is the magnifying glass, and then you will go on the search bar and probably look for the person. When you find the person from here, you will have its account and you will have the option to unblock it from the account straight up. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.